Are you thinking of replacing the old hot water tank? Regular maintenance pays for itself over time. Professional maintenance helps to spot problems early, avoiding system failure. When done on a regular basis, proper maintenance will make your hot water tank last longer. When the old tank is nearing the end, get it replaced with a new one. A professional contractor will ensure safe and efficient tank replacement. Reliable quality services with Shamrocks, plumbing and heating. The right choice for your home. Schedule an appointment today during office hours for unparalleled service. Upgrade your hot water tank with us to ensure reliable warm water for baths and showers. Regular upkeep extends the service life of your hot water tank. Make the smart choice today. Contact Shamrock's Plumbing and Heating.